Good morning, everybody. It's John Thompson. I am here to talk to you today about a couple models I've been doing. I'm actually currently on my break from school. I start classes up in a couple of weeks. I want to talk to you about two models I've done. The first model is the USS Texas. It's made by Trumpeter, and it's a very nice model. It has basically a good hull structure. I like how it goes together. It's really solid. And the second model I'm going to talk to you about today is the Andrea Doria. Now, the Andrea Doria is a paper model. I got it as a set. It comes with the liner Stockholm that rammed her, and it's actually a very nice paper model. Right now, I'd love to show it to you, but unfortunately, I have it weighted down as I just started gluing on the skins on the hull, so that'll be a future video on that. Um, Basically, I'm developing new techniques on this model. It's a lot smaller than my typical JSC models that I've built, being the United States and the Normandy. One thing I do have to say I like about JSC is they build it around a stick. It's a triangular piece, almost looks like a Toblerone, and you cut out the frames and you glue them on there, and then you basically also put the other pieces together. Now, it's not a solid filled in sheet on the bottom, typically like you would find with, say, an HMV or a Schreiber Bogen model. But it is a good model. You have to be very careful. One of the things you have to be careful on in building is the use of too much glue. Too much glue will cause warpage. I know I've put the models together in the past, used too much glue all over the place, and while you think it helps in attaching your skin, it makes the parts all warpy and wrinkled. So the less is more approach when it comes to gluing the skins on the hull. So that's if you want a better finish on your hull. What I've been doing on this model is basically gluing and weighting. So putting literally weights on the model to kind of keep it from twisting, which is one of the big scourges of paper modeling that you can get. I had that problem occur when I built the Batory model from Mali Modelars. Unfortunately, your bulkheads and frames there were actually cardboard sheet, and then you put the paper over it. But this is all paper. So I basically now am at work on that. I have most of the hull formed. The framing is done. It's pretty straightforward. It can be a little confusing in a couple spots, so you really have to pay attention. The directions are kind of general. You really have to go with the pictures and what they show. So that's something to keep in mind as you progress in your build. I would recommend both kits. The Trumpeter kit is an excellent model. You have to pay attention again on that. There are mistakes, and also to let you know about the Andrea Doria model. Did see a post. Somebody tried to build the SS United States, and you look at it, it came out looking like crap because the person used too much glue to join the parts. So if you use your glue sparingly, you'll wind up with a much smoother hull. It will look less warpy and, as I call warpy, where it's all oil canned in and crinkly. So keep that in mind as you progress in your build. Thanks.